Your knees crack. They ache when you walk. You can't squat, run, or even sit without feeling that sharp pinch deep inside the joint. But what if we told you there's a natural drink that's helping thousands of people rebuild knee cartilage, ease pain, and get back their mobility faster than they ever imagined? Collagen-boosting drink? We'll tell you more natural drink that in just a moment, so please stay with me. Now, what's in this drink? Just 5 simple and affordable ingredients: Chyote, pineapple, unflavored gelatin, celery, and carrot. But this isn't just a juice. It's designed to restore collagen, ease joint pain, and support healthier skin and nails. You see, collagen acts like the glue that holds your joints and skin together. But after the age of 30, our bodies produce less of it. Over time, that leads to stiffness, wrinkles, and pain. That's exactly where this drink comes in. Each ingredient in this recipe supports your body's natural ability to rebuild what time has worn down. And when combined, the effects become noticeable in just a few weeks. Chyote, overlooked superfood for joint pain. The #1 ingredient is chyote. It may look plain, but it's one of the most overlooked superfoods, especially for people over 50, dealing with joint pain and reduced mobility. Chyote is rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, the protein that cushions your joints and keeps your skin firm. In fact, just 1 chyote provides nearly half your daily vitamin C. Think of collagen like the scaffolding that holds everything together. And vitamin C? That's the worker who connects the pieces. Without enough of it, your body struggles to repair joints, skin, and cartilage. Chyote also contains potassium and antioxidants, which help reduce swelling and stiffness, 2 common issues as we age. Many seniors who eat chyote regularly report less joint pain and improved flexibility. It's like putting out a silent fire that's been burning inside your body for years. Chyote's natural anti-inflammatory power. And here's something even more powerful. Chyote is naturally anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a major reason joint pain, stiffness, and muscle aches worsen with age. Chyote helps calm that inflammation naturally. Carrots, more than just good for eyes. Carrots do more than support your vision. They play a crucial role in protecting your joints, especially when paired with the other ingredients in this drink. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient that helps maintain the lining of your joints and promotes smooth, pain-free movement. Vitamin A also reduces the breakdown of cartilage, a leading cause of joint discomfort as we age. But here's where carrots really shine. They contain natural antioxidants that calm inflammation, especially in aging joints. That morning stiffness you feel? It's often due to silent inflammation building up in the background. Carrots help reduce that and support better flexibility over time. In fact, a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that diets rich in carotenoids, the plant pigments that give carrots their bright color, are linked to lower inflammation and better joint mobility in older adults. Pineapple, sweet way to soothe stiff joints. Ingredient #3, pineapple. You've probably enjoyed pineapple as a sweet treat, but most people don't realize it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, especially for stiff joints and aging knees. The secret lies in bromelain, a natural enzyme found in the fruit, especially in the core. Bromelain acts like a digestive helper, breaking down proteins into smaller parts your body can absorb more easily. And when digestion improves, so does your body's ability to rebuild collagen and cartilage. Even more importantly, bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory, which is why it's a must-have in this drink. Several studies, including one from the Alternative Medicine Review, found that bromelain reduced pain and swelling in arthritis patients, with fewer side effects than common over-the-counter medications. Don't throw away the pineapple core. But here's the part most people miss. The highest concentration of bromelain is in the pineapple core. The tough part we usually throw away? That's why this recipe includes the entire core. Don't worry about the taste. The sweetness of the carrot and the freshness of the celery balance it out beautifully. Pineapple also adds another boost of vitamin C, which enhances the effects of chyote, giving your body even more of what it needs to naturally produce collagen. Stay with us until the end to see just how to prepare this drink properly and most effectively so you don't make any costly mistakes. Celery, workhorse for joint health. Celery is more than just a crunchy side on your dinner plate. It's a hydration powerhouse, great for controlling inflammation and boosting nutrient absorption. And when it comes to joint support, celery is packed with natural compounds like luteolin and apigenin, two plant-based antioxidants that help reduce swelling and stiffness in aging knees, hips, and hands. It's also rich in electrolytes like potassium and sodium, which help your joints and muscles stay lubricated and functioning smoothly. That means less grinding, less aching, and more freedom to move. Even better, it has a cool, refreshing taste that cuts through the sweetness of carrot and pineapple, giving the drink a clean finish that's easy to enjoy every day. Carrot might be the builder. Pineapple is the fixer. But celery? It's the quiet workhorse that keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Gelatin, core of collagen repair. Now let's talk about the ingredient that brings it all together. Gelatin. Gelatin is practically collagen in powder form. Unlike collagen your body has to produce from scratch, this one is pre-processed and ready to go. It breaks down into small peptides that your body absorbs quickly, sending them straight to your joints, skin, and cartilage. Think of it like handing your body a full set of pre-cut repair parts. No guesswork, no wasted energy, just efficient rebuilding where it's needed most. What makes gelatin even more powerful is what it brings along. Glycine and proline, two amino acids that are rarely found in a regular diet but are essential for strong joints, smooth skin, healthy nails, and even deep sleep. But gelatin doesn't work alone. It's part of a complete healing system. How to make the collagen drink, step by step. Now let's get to the practical part. Here's exactly what you'll need. Peeled half of one Chyote, one medium slice of pineapple including the core, one medium carrot, peeled one celery stalk, thoroughly washed one packet of unflavored gelatin, about 1/3 of an ounce, 1 2/3 cups of filtered water. Optional, 1 dessert spoon of honey for sweetness. The right way to use gelatin. 1. Hydrate the gelatin. Empty the gelatin into a small bowl and add 5 tablespoons of warm water, not boiling, just warm enough to comfortably dip your finger in. 2. Stir it gently and let it sit for 5 minutes. This allows the gelatin to swell and absorb the water so it can dissolve smoothly. 3. Then microwave it for 15 seconds or gently heat using a double boiler. The goal is to make it liquid, but don't overheat it. 4. Preparing the ingredients. Start with the Chyote, chop it into small pieces. No need to remove the seeds, they'll blend right in. 5. Next is the pineapple. Use a slice about 3/4 of an inch thick and make sure to keep the core. That's where the bromelain is concentrated. Cut it into cubes to make blending easier. 6. For the carrot, peel and slice it into thin rounds or small chunks. Carrots add natural sweetness and provide beta-carotene, which supports both joint and skin health. 7. Lastly, prepare the celery, trim the ends and chop it into small pieces. Celery helps reduce inflammation. Now it's time to blend. In your blender, combine the filtered water and the chopped Chyote, pineapple, carrot, and celery. Blend on high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes. This step helps break down the fiber and fully releases the nutrients. Once the mixture is smooth, add your hydrated gelatin. Then blend for another 1 to 2 minutes. This second blend is essential. It ensures the gelatin is fully incorporated and doesn't form lumps, giving the drink a smooth, slightly thick texture. If you'd like a touch of sweetness, add 1 spoon of honey. Ideally wildflower or raw honey, which also carries natural anti-inflammatory benefits. The final drink will have a light green to yellowish color, with a soft, slightly thick consistency due to the gelatin and vegetable fibers. If you notice slight separation after a few minutes, don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Just give it a quick stir before drinking. Store drink the right way. For seniors or anyone wanting to prepare this drink ahead of time, here are a few tips. Use a glass container with a tight-fitting lid. Glass is better than plastic as it won't react with the pineapple's natural acidity, which can affect taste and nutrient quality. You can also squeeze in a few drops of fresh lemon juice before sealing. This helps preserve the vitamin C and slows down oxidation. Once prepared, the drink will stay fresh for up to 24 hours in the fridge. After that, it may start to lose its potency, and so it's best to make small daily batches if possible. Before drinking, always give it a gentle shake or stir. Some light separation is normal and doesn't affect its benefits. Best time to drink. To get the most out of this powerful juice, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Absorb nutrients up to 60%. After drinking, wait at least 20 minutes before having breakfast. This gives your system enough time to absorb the nutrients fully without interference. For visible and lasting results, aim to drink about 7 fluid ounces daily for 3 weeks. If the flavor of Chyote is a bit strong for your liking, try adding a small piece of fresh ginger. Now remember that hidden benefit I mentioned earlier, it's about sleep. What many have experienced is that this drink significantly improves sleep quality. The glycine in gelatin has a calming effect on the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. It's like getting a peaceful night's rest as a bonus while you're healing your joints. If you try this recipe, we'd love to know how you feel after 15 days of drinking it. To help you along, we have an incredible product recommendation in the description below. Your purchase really helps this channel and is much appreciated. Let us know in the comments as we personally read everyone. And be sure to watch our many other videos that each help you live better and get the most out of each day.